Hi, I'm Fredo, and today I want to share with you a story of the time I learned that it's better to ask for help than assume I am smart enough to solve any problem that comes my way on my own. So, I'm at a community event with some close friends and my mentor, who's 67, super smart and always seems to know the right answer for everything. Halfway through the event, one of my friends rushes towards me and tells me she just got into a car crash in the parking lot. I was so flattered that I was the first person that came to her mind when she was in trouble that I dropped everything and rushed to the scene. Now, what's funny about this whole thing is that I had never been in a car accident, so I didn't really know what the right thing to do is. And so at that moment, on my way to the scene, the last thing on my mind was to go find my mentor and ask for his help. I thought, I'm a smart guy. I can help my friend too. So that's what I tried to do. When I arrived, I noticed a traffic jam forming, so I immediately made sure everyone from both cars were okay. Then I helped move both cars off of the road onto the sides so that other cars can start passing by. Afterwards, I told both parties that they should call the police to sort this whole thing out. So when the police finally arrived, the community event was ending, and another one of my friends were leaving and saw us. But not my mentor. He still had no clue what was going on. My friend asked if everyone was okay. I told her yes. She started to look at the cars and asked me if they were moved. I told her that I moved them because of the traffic jam. She said that was good that I helped, but did I make sure to take pictures of the original accident scene? Because the police and insurance company will need to see those for information to make a determination of who was at fault. At that moment, my heart dropped and my stomach creeped up into my throat. I thought to myself, how stupid. I didn't. I just nodded to her, and that was the end of that. I felt so embarrassed because I consider myself to be really smart and capable to solve problems on my own. I didn't feel like I needed to check in with my mentor for everything. So after the incident ended, a few hours later, I told my friend we should visit my mentor and let him know what happened and ask his help on what she should do next. After I explained everything to him, he was shocked the event even happened and was even more shocked that I never thought it would be wise to ask an old man for his help. He kind of mentored me a little strongly afterward and told me that one of my weaknesses is that I still didn't know my limitations. He said smart people know when they don't know and when they should ask for help. That was difficult to accept at the time, but I learned a valuable lesson on the value of utilizing expertise. I realized that the faster I can identify and utilize expertise, the less pain I will go through in life. I'm still a smart person, but now when I get into a situation I don't know what to do, instead of making a decision if I'm capable to solve the problem, if my mentor is not immediately available, I find the next smartest person I know, and then I let them know my situation. I found that asking smart people for help doesn't hurt and has never failed me. So, I want to leave you with a challenge. Whenever you find yourself in a similar situation, it could be something simple like you're stuck on a homework problem, or complex like you don't know how to deal with a person you feel is causing you pain. Whatever it is, reach out to those in your life wiser than you and ask for their help. They could be your mentors, your teachers, your parents, whoever. Normally these people are much older than you and have a lot of experience. Remember the old saying, what doesn't change remains the same.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you want to see more, press the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll answer them in future videos.